This is a very easy question appeared from the topic functions, part of the XAT 2015 Quant and DA section. Let's have a look at the question. If f of x square minus 1 is equal to x power 4 minus 7x square plus k1 and f of x cube minus 2 is equal to x power 6 minus 9x cube plus k2, what we need to find out is the value of k2 minus k1. Let's have a quick look at how to go about it. What we need to find out is the value for k2 minus k1. What we have are these two data points. The first one is f of x square minus 1 is x power 4 minus 7x square plus k1, and the second one is f of x cube minus 2 is equal to x power 6 minus 9x cube plus k2. Right. So this is what we need to find out. Let's take step 1. In step 1, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the first information. F of x square minus 1 is equal to x power 4 minus 7x square plus k1. This is the data given to us. When x square is equal to 1, the function actually becomes f of 1 minus 1. X square becomes 1. So this will become f of 1 minus 1. So this value is going to be equal to f of 0. And when x square is equal to 1, wherever we find an x square on the right hand side, we're going to replace it with 1 as well. So this is what we'll be left with. So the left hand side becomes f of 0. X square is 1, so x power 4 is 1 square minus 7x square, so it's going to be 7 into 1 plus k1. So net effect is f of 0 is equal to minus 6 plus k1. This happens when x square is equal to 1. Let's run through the similar process for the second part of it, the information. Second information we have is f of x cube minus 2 is given. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out what happens when x cube is equal to 2. When x cube is equal to 2, this is a 2 minus 2. The LHS becomes f of 0. And everywhere on the right hand side, we are going to find an x cube. We are going to replace it with a 2. So this is what we are going to be left with. Once we have done that, f of 0 is the left hand side. X power 6 is nothing but x cube square. I am taking x cube to be a 2. So it's going to be 2 square. Minus 9x cube. We are going to write it as 9 into 2 plus k2. Net result is f of 0 is equal to minus 14 plus k1. Both in equation 1 and in equation 2 our LHS is f of 0. So we can equate f of 0 in both these equations to get the value of k2 minus k1. Once I've equated f of 0 in both these equations, minus 6 plus k1, which is the value from the first equation, should be equal to minus 14 plus k2, which is the value of f of 0 from the second equation. So k2 minus k1 is equal to 8. Choice C is the correct answer. If you're looking for XAT preparation assistance, the go-to place is xat.ascenteducation.com. Be it free questions in your mailbox if you sign up for our Yahoo groups, or free videos with explanation for past year XAT papers by subscribing to our YouTube channels. Or if you're one of those who wants a classroom program, join our classes at Chennai and Bangalore.